Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to show you something a bit different. Not too sure if I've shown one of these before on my channel, and I'm not too sure if this is, but it's unique to me. So it is. This is the Harper. It's the Harper Snap Fit Kit of the Eurowings Hertz. I'm not sure if I've been pronouncing that correctly. I believe this is in 1:200 scale. I remember from the website that I got it from, which I'll link in the description of below of the Model Aircraft store. Yeah, so this is going to be my third Harper model that I've got. You've seen the other two that I've shown there. So let's have a look at the back. So even on here it says that in those models, I'm not sure. I believe mine's that one now, but I might be wrong. And on these ones there you have the instructions, but they're pretty simple. I still need a snap together kit. So let's get it open. You can see there's nothing else in the box, so let's get this open. I'm sorry for this too late of a video, I've just gotten back from work, so you can tell my voice I'm a bit tired, but I'm still going to make this video for you guys. So stand. Right, so it snaps in like that. And as you can see, I'm building the Eurowings Airbus A320, which I've got in 1:400 scale. So here's the fuselage, nicely done, well, nicely done. So got the wings, and tail. I'm tired that I didn't name these, so let's put the wings on. So that's what it's supposed to go in there like that. Then this other bit seems to click in. There. And there's the wings. It's a really tight fit, so gotta be careful. But probably no way I might glue this in to keep it in place. So then you've got the back tail surfaces, and then you've got the tail. Now, so you put it on the stand, and there you go. My Airbus A320 in Eurowings livery. So yeah, it's a pretty good little model for £18 in the UK. But I think I might have to get a discount, so yeah, good detail. It's an absolute beauty, on par with maybe some 1:400 scale models. But this is an absolute beauty. If you want to see more of these type of videos, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Take care of yourself, stay safe.